Tell us what's your name and what is one thing that you're basically taking from Tech Barbecue?
That's going to be difficult. There's actually many things I think I'll take with me from Tech Barbecue. My name is Søren Juhl Jørgensen. I'm the CEO of the Innovation Center Denmark in Silicon Valley. And I think the first big thing that I take with me from Tech Barbecue, that's the amazing energy that is in the Danish ecosystem now. There's really many really interesting and promising startups that are emerging, and so there's a lot happening here now. Then I think what's a big takeaway, that is very structured, that is becoming more and more cohesive. There are collaborations forming and all kinds of support. And you actually also see that a lot of the startups that did well are back here to give back and support new startups. That's, I think, important because that means that the ecosystem is becoming stronger and it is more viable, and that should lead to more startups that will succeed out of the ecosystem. Then I think it's really promising to see how many corporates are realizing the power of startups in relation to innovation. More and more corporates are making various ways of garage collaboration, other ways of collaborating with startups, because they realize that the big wave, or the new big wave of innovation comes from startups, and it's the startups that actually have the power to disrupt the markets.